Welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide for the Insta360 X3. This omnidirectional camera has over an hour of battery life and waterproof capabilities, perfect to help you capture and create virtual tours for your courses and other projects. Let's get started. To turn this device on, locate the power button on the right side of the camera body. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn the camera on, then press and hold again to turn the camera off. The next area to focus on is the battery compartment located on the left side of the camera. To open the compartment, pull the two latches located on the battery together, releasing it. To reinsert the battery, align the connectors of the battery towards the bottom of the camera and gently push it back into the slot. Just above the battery compartment is the charging compartment. Pull the latch upward to release the cover. In the compartment is a USB-C port, so you need to use a cable with a USB-C connector to properly charge the camera. Similar to charging your smartphone, this can connect to a computer or charging block that plugs into a wall. If you remove the battery from the left side of the camera, you're able to access the MicroSD card slot. This is where you will insert and access your memory card for storing photos and videos. With the card facing toward you, gently insert the SD card until you hear a click to lock it into place. To remove the SD card, push the SD card in and it will eject. On the front of the camera under the main screen lies two buttons. On the left, indicated by the circle, is the capture button. Press this once you take a photo or to start and stop a video. The button on the right, indicated by two windows, accesses the capture settings. This is where you will switch between different capture methods, such as capturing photo or video. In the top right corner of the main screen is the battery indicator. This informs you of how much battery you have left before the camera shuts down. In the top left corner of the screen is the storage indicator. This shows you how many images you are able to take if you are capturing photos, and how much recording time you have left if you are capturing video. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a number. This is your resolution indicator, and if you click on this area or swipe up on the screen, it will open the options to change the capture resolution of the camera. Just below the resolution, you will be able to set a timer when capturing photos, and you'll be able to change the frame rate when capturing video. If you press the icon on the bottom left of the screen, this will open your capture functions. You can swap through to a number of settings, but for now, the photo icon is indicated by a camera facing forward, and video is indicated by a video camera facing to the right. At the top of the same screen, you can access the lens functions. If you press the single lens button, you're able to use one lens to capture photo and video in 180 degrees. If you press on the 360 button, you're able to utilize both of the camera's lenses to capture photo and video in 360 degrees. If you return to the main screen in the bottom right corner, you're able to change which lens you view. If you are in 360 mode, this will not affect what the camera is able to capture. But if you are in the single lens view, be sure to change the view to the direction that you would like the camera to capture images. As a final note, on the right side of the camera under the power button, you may notice the quick button indicated by a Q. This is primarily where custom settings are saved for easier access. We hope this quick start guide has helped you get started with the Insta360 X3. For more information or assistance, contact or visit the Faculty Multimedia Center.